Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and when I showed this huge bow that I made the other day on my video, I had quite a few that messaged me and asked me would I show them how to do that. So this morning I'm going to show how to make those bows. Those are really simple, quick, and easy. Now I'm going to make one a lot smaller because I need one smaller to go on a gift. So what I have cut is just some little paper strips, and this is a thin paper. You need to do it with a thinner paper. You can even do it with wrapping paper. And this is just cut at 1/2 inch by 3. And all you're gonna do is take it and twist it up like that to make the little, what shape is this? This is like a awareness ribbons. There you go. It's one of those awareness ribbons, and you just fold it like that, put a little bit of glue on it on the end, and you just fold it over. And on the first row, you're going to need to leave a little bit more of a gap, as you can see about right there, how much of a gap I've left. And then when you do your second row, you're going to pull it a little bit tighter because you want your second row to be a little bit smaller. Now, you're going to need probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 of this size. And then I just kind of freehand cut somewhat of a circle. It's not very good of a circle, but it doesn't matter because that's just going to be something that you're going to glue down to. So it doesn't have to be perfect. And if you use the same color cardstock on the bottom, then it doesn't show if you don't get everything just perfect. And just keep in mind, these are handmade bows, so even the bows in town that you buy are not perfect. So don't think that you have to get everything just so. And I just kind of tuck them pretty close together. Some of mine turn out really, really good. Some of them turn out really, really bad. It just depends on how quick I try to make one. But if I take my time and I just kind of look over the little circle here, I can usually get them pretty good. But, you know, just take your time and try to start that circle and make that circle pretty even. And I'm just using the art glitter glue because it seems to hold better. And I don't like to use hot glue because when I use hot glue on here, it never fails that I need to move something. And when you use hot glue, you can't really move it. So, all right, let's see how many I actually used on that. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on that first run. And see, you can see that it's pretty good. Now on your second run, as I said, you're pulling your little pieces a little bit closer together. You use the same size, you just pull them closer together when you glue them on the back. And then you're going to put your glue down on the second piece. And you're going to sit these right between that first run. So right there, right in the between it. I'm going to set these in there. Really, it's a whole lot easier when you use the wrapping paper. And I know tons of people have made these out there using wrapping paper. And they're so cute to have the wrapping paper and the bow match. Let's see, it's coming together. And my pen is just trying to do crazy things this morning instead of staying on my magnet. So you just keep sitting that second run in between that first one, all the way around. And I went ahead and pre-done these just so that it wouldn't take me so long to do the video. Because I know no one has time this time of year to sit around and watch a long video. And that art glitter glue just seems to hold so quick and easy. Look at that. Isn't that cute already? Now you need to put a little circle for the center. And I just take this little piece, same size piece, and I just pull it over and glue it together. And then I just stick it down in there and test it and see if it's a little bit big or a little bit small, and it looks pretty good. Okay, so we're going to glue this down in the center. So just stick that right down there, just like that. And then I just kind of squish it up together, and there is your bow. Quick and easy, very simple. And if you wanted to make another little run of these in there, you could. It just depends on how you want your bow to look. You can make this out of various colors of paper, so you could do this run in one color, the next one in another color, and keep going like that. I just think they're cute and they're easy to make, and it's good to use up a lot of those little scraps that you have laying around of your paper, wrapping paper, that kind of thing. But that is the simple and quick and easy bow. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little bell when it pops up so that you'll be notified when we do another video. And also, there's 2 other videos up here you might want to watch sometimes when you have time. Down here is our store link. If you go over right now, this week ends our 40% off on everything in the store clearance sale. This week ends it. After that, everything goes back to retail. Over here, if you click my face, you'll be able to subscribe directly to our channel, and I hope you do. And we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye.